Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I'm featuring the Beauty Abound stamp set and the Butterfly Beauty Thinlit dies. I have an online class with this bundle as well, so this is just an extra little bit of inspiration for those of you who even aren't going to purchase the online class. So what I have here is what comes in the kit. I have Whisper White Thick card base. Then I have this is powder pink cardstock that I've already die cut. So this is how it would come to you unless you've ordered the class and then it's just a square piece of paper. And I'm using my dauber and I'm daubing on rich raspberry over top of this powder pink cardstock. Now here's a little trick. If you didn't get the adhesive sheets, you can always use your sponge and your Tombow on your silicone craft mat, just like I'm doing here, peeling up that Night of Navy cardstock. Again, that will already be cut if you shopped with me this month. And I am placing it right over top of the pink butterflies. So I'm trying to recreate this beautiful butterfly right here. And I just Googled it. I don't know if any of you know this, but I try to Google art or nature before I start a card. I don't actually head to Pinterest because it's a rabbit hole, if you know what I mean. So I just looked up butterfly and this is the one that caught my eye and I thought I could recreate it. So I used a little bit of Wink of Stella on the body of those butterflies. And now I have the stitch circle, which is also in the kit, included in the kit. I stamped with Night of Navy, the thanks that comes in the stamp set. And now it's full strength powder pink, stamped off twice, rich raspberry. And I put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of my butterflies, minis and full ones. It's a really nice solid, I put them all around as best as I could. And then I'm going over with my little circle here with 3 different areas on the circle with Night of Navy and 3 different areas on the circle with rich raspberry. And I think by sponging the edges of that circle actually makes the sentiment pop against these butterflies that are colored in the same manner. And then the piece de resistance, if you remember the butterfly, is that the butterflies have white dots all over them. So this is a Signa White pigment ink pen. Stampin' Up used to sell it. You can find it at any art store. It's really affordable. It's got pigment, white pigment ink, so it stays bright white over top of this fantastically dark card stock. And that is my card kit for this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.